everyone, welcome to summer. Isn't it glorious? And it is in London anyway at the moment. Some of you get summer all year round or at different times of the year. I want to talk about SPFs because after my last film, or maybe it was 2 films back now, everyone was saying that I get really irritated and I want to find products that don't have alcohol, and I love all these products, but alcohol really irritates my skin when I use it to protect myself from the sun. So I found a couple of products that don't have alcohol in, and the first one is Vichy. This is an aerosol spray, so super easy to apply, and I've had this in my kit. I was spraying it all on the crew and it was just super lightweight. It's a chemical SPF. It's got full broad spectrum coverage, UVA, so that's the aging rays, UVB, that's the burning rays. That's something that's quite important to look for. And there you are, sans alcohol, alcohol free. So if you are one of those people that get really irritated by alcohol, or you just simply don't want alcohol in your SPF, then here you are. Try this. There's loads of it as well. 200 ml. That's a decent size. That will see you through your holiday. Great for backs, all those awkward areas if you haven't got someone to rub it in for you. Another brand that I love is Cooler. Now, this is an American brand. It's relatively new in the UK and it is organic. Now, obviously it can't be 100% organic, but a lot of the products used in where possible are organic. And it has a lot of plant protection in, so therefore it has a lot of antioxidants, which are fantastic to put on your skin when you have a lot of exposure, to stop those free radicals bouncing around and damaging your skin. This product is the Classic Face Sport. It's in a cream. They do have the aerosols, but they do contain a small amount of alcohol. Now, on the alcohol note, just be cautious that you don't kind of, get wrapped up in the drama of alcohol, because actually alcohol is a very good carrier for many chemicals within products. So it's a great delivery system, and it's lightweight, and it enables things to be placed onto the skin because it evaporates very easily. But if it's in the sort of first 5-6 ingredients, then there's going to be quite a high amount of alcohol in the product. So then you can say, actually, and I'll skip that. But there are also some other alcohols that will be lower down the list, which really shouldn't harm your skin. But as I say, all our skins are different. We all get irritated by different things. So I just thought I'd introduce you to these 3 brands. So check out Cooler. This product here is a classic white tea and it's SPF 50. Again, broad spectrum chemical UVA, UVB coverage protection. And again, it goes on white and it dries completely clear. Now, with chemical sunscreens, you can put them on your skin straight away and you are protected. The chemicals sit on your skin and they absorb the sun rays, okay, almost like a sponge. They absorb the sun rays, so you get protected and you get instant protection. Whereas, bringing up another Cooler product, this is a mineral SPF. Now, with the mineral SPFs, you need around about 20 minutes for them to absorb onto the skin to get the protection. Now, they act as a barrier. There's 2 minerals that create the mineral protection, which is titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. Now, back in the day, and still sometimes now, depending on which brands, they can give you, and these are the minerals that give you that white ghostly effect on your skin. So when you put it on your skin, the sun rays come down and poof, the minerals scatter it from your skin. They push the sun rays away and leave you protected. There is no difference in mineral or chemical, only you. Your preference, what you want to put on your skin, what you feel comfortable with and what works. The most important thing is that these products protect your skin from the sun. And especially if you're using active ingredients, and especially if you want to maintain a youthful, fresh complexion for as long as physically possible, come on, then use SPF every day. Obviously even more so now in the sun. So with this product, it's got a little tint in it here, which fades. It's a rose essence. And again, it's just really super beautiful and lightweight. And I have to say that some of the products have a light tint and they make the skin look a bit lighter if you're darker. But this is really soft and almost kind of goes into nothing. It just gives a really kind of like sort of 5 denier finish to your skin if you compare it to my other ones. See, it's just quite nice, isn't it? The other brand which has incredible SPF, and I'm sure you're all familiar with, is SkinCeuticals. And again, their mineral radiance does not contain alcohol, and it's an SPF. Now this does have a tint. If you've got darker skin, you probably wouldn't want to go for the tint, but they do other ones that are clear, so opt for that. So I hope that's made it a little bit clearer. This might open up a huge conversation of discussion, which is great. So I'm not an expert on skincare, but I'm extremely passionate about skincare. I'm extremely passionate about finding out the truth and what works. I don't want to be fobbed off. I want to know and to use and to purchase stuff that works. Anyway, I hope this has helped, and that's my phone ringing, so I'm off for now. See you next week.